Today's June 9th, 2012. What are you guys doing in there? Huh? Trying to get that seahorse with that thing? Oh, almost lost him.
You're fishing?
Looks like they're fishing, yeah. Caitlin, how old are you? Aiden, how old are you? Aiden, how old are you? You don't know? You ignoring me today? Hello, baby. Yeah? What are you doing? Oh, look at Caitlin. She's like pouring the water on herself. She's like professional pool girl now. Show me how you float, Caitlin. Gonna show me how you float? Wow, look at that. Oh, be careful. You're all right. Even if you did fall down, you could get right back up. You're okay. Say bye.